Hey, my Nista family, did you miss me? Because I missed you guys too. So listen, this is a unboxing of some of the Nista customized items that I got from Temu. And this is also some of the items that I got for my current members and for new members that would like to join the Nista family. So let's get into this unboxing, so
Okay.
since I've started this
I
channel,
want to
I
make a
really wanted
correction
to
here.
concentrate on
Since I've
saving more
started this
money.
journey, not
There
this
are a
channel.
lot of different stores like Etsy shops and all kinds of places, Shopify, where I could get custom items. But at the present time, I've been trying out some of Temu stuff, and some of it's been a hit, some of it's been a miss, but it helps me stay within my budget and it's more feasible for me. So I said, why not continue to give it a try? Because it's really helping me. So why not keep going with it? I don't see the problem. So we're going to get into first the customized stuff that I have got for myself. So I wanted some labels because I noticed when I was sending out some of my stuff last week, um, I was writing my address in, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want to write my address in. I want to have a sticker that I could just put on the top and start from there. Now, I want to get some labels where I can put them into my MacBook, save them, and then I can get a label printer and start printing the stuff out myself. But it's all about baby steps. That's what I'm all about. It's about baby steps. And the more money I make, the more I invest. So what I've done now is every time I get a YouTube check, I just put it right back into Nista. Every time I put it back into Nista, I put it back into my members, I put it back into my channel, and I put it into trying to enhance things. And that's what it's all about. It's about elevation. You got to enhance, you got to try new things, you got to just stay focused, keep an eagle eye, and make sure you stay within your budget. So I ordered these return address labels, and as you can see, it has Nista on it. It has my business address. Well, I'm sorry, I hit the camera. It has my business address, 110A Baltimore Pike. It has the box number, Springfield, PA, 19064. So I'm liking these so far. I wanted to try it out before I got anything like with a design or anything like that. And of course, I love color. So I picked out the colorful ones, and I noticed on each paper I have a total of 6. So we have one, two, let's see here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18. We have 18 of them. So this is more than enough for me to get started with. And they are centered properly the way that I actually typed it in. It does have the font that I selected, and I think they look pretty good. I must say, they look pretty good. And this is something that I did not have before. So, and this, let me see here. This pack of these only costs me, don't quote me, but I know my whole order right here was $30. I'm gonna put it that way. My whole order here was $30 because every time I order stuff from them, I get some type of coupon. Now, I don't play those games and all that kind of stuff that they have up there, because I'm noticing that when you play those games and you try to get that kind of stuff, it's too hard, and I don't have time for that. But I notice as I spend, I do get some rewards. So I can tell you, this whole order that I'm going to show you, it was under 50. I try to stay within $30. I really do. Try to stay within 30. So this is this is a 10 to me. I like them. Let me know how you like them in the comments, okay? So let's move on to the next item. All right, so as you know, I've been getting keychains to send out to my members, and I just didn't want to put them inside the pink pouch. I want to put them inside of something. So I got these here, which I think are really, really cute. And they're just little pouches. And you know my colors. I love pink. I love purple. So I'll slide the keychain in here, seal it up, and send it off to my member inside their pouch that will have their binder or whatever other gifts that I want to send them out. Like I said, I do have the Nista pens now, and the pens are pink as well. So I say this is a go as well. In this pack, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, wow, this is good. I have 20 of them. So I'm liking this. This is a go as well. So I'm going to put this back in here. And as I said, my order was not expensive at all. I'm going to try to remember at the end of this video to just show my receipt and the order total for everything. Okay, next item. So as you know, I have a lot of keychains with spiritual quotes and different things on them that I purchased before. And let me just show them to you really quick. Like this one here. It says she believed she could, so she did. And that's why I bought these, so you can just drop them right in the pack, which I think is super cute. So let's just do one here. Drop it in the pack. Shows in the window. Look how cute that is. You can't tell me that's not cute. That's so cute. So I'm going to pre-package all this stuff and get it all together so I can have it and I can just drop it into the postage bag that I have. And let me just show you the bags that I have as well, in case you guys didn't see them before. These also came from Temu. Bubble wrap envelopes. I put the binders in here, the keychains in here, whatever I want. And I seal them up, and I have Nista stickers that I put on the back. So listen, this stuff is really, really nice. Like I said, I'm just trying to stay within my means. This will go on top of the return address on the bubble wrap. Let's just put one on and let's see how it works. Let's see how it sticks. Because I really, a lot of people don't share stuff like this, but I don't want to gatekeep. Like some people, they want to have stuff that is customized and they really can't afford these sites that are in America. A lot of this stuff is coming from China. Let's just keep it real. And it's just as good as everything else. So look at that. That's super cute. And I'll still write their name in until, for now, until I'm able to get me an actual label printer for my MacBook and start to print the stuff out myself. But I think this is really cute. This would go inside here. Let's see. I would get out my pens because I do still have the diamond top pens, but I have these pens now as well that say Budget Nista. So this would go in here. These are the kind of things that I'm giving out to my members. So I think, listen, I think that I am doing it big. Okay. I think this is big. And this is just a part of the budget part of my channel. I'm not in a niche. I have not put myself in a box, which I will not do. I want to be able to give out motivational stuff. I want to be able to help people budget. I want to help people be able to win. I want to help people find sales in stores, but I also want to help people and encourage them and help them to find themselves as well. And this sticks on here very well. Yeah, I like this. So let's put this to the side and get to the next product. Also, just to let you know, I got these from the Dollar Tree. Look at this. This is the magnets that you can put in your books to divide your pages. So it's like a bookmark. And this one says, trust in the Lord. This is one of the scriptures. This is Proverbs. And look how nice that is. And then look at this on the back. It says, we have hope because we're anchored in him. So this is the kind of stuff that I'm just gathering all together to give my members. Also, I've purchased these, and I have the keychains to put on the actual binders so they can hang from the binders. This is all the stuff that I see people have, but I'm just doing it in a budget friendly way. But first, I'm trying it out before I actually send it off. And then I also got these stickers as well, which are motivational stickers. And I put these in the packs to my members as well. Just to let them, know they're okay and they're going to be fine. She is cloth and strength. And I have stuff for men as well that's coming in the mail. Because you never know. God will increase your territory if you're obedient and you continue to do the right thing. And he'll show you ways. to be able to take care of everybody that he draws to you. All right, so the next product here, let's put these to the side as well. Hold on, let me put everything back together. And I'm noticing as I'm acquiring more things, I need more organization, especially to keep all the customized stuff in order. So I'm so thankful that my guy, he brought me this desk, because this desk is a big, big help. And at first I just wanted it for, my 9 to 5, but it's been more than just a 9 to 5 desk. It's been way more than that, and it's helped me grow in so many ways. So let's see. These are some of the other keychains that I've bought to go on the binders, or to go on your keys. This is really pretty. Look at this heart, and then look at this strawberry. Oh, look at that. That is super cute. So this is the more stuff that I'm going to be sending out to my members. Now, I love pearls. I think pearls are so classy. Now, of course, these are not real pearls, but look how cute this is. Look how cute. That's my work phone. Sorry, y'all. Look how cute this is. This is so cute. Okay, members, listen, this is the kind of stuff that's coming out to you guys. It's coming out to you. What does this say? I don't have my glasses on. If you could read that, let me know in the comments, because I can't get up and get my glasses right now. Not right now. All right, so we got that one. We have the strawberry, and I think this one, yes, this is the same as the other one. So this is another piece to go with the collection. I also ordered bigger bubble wrap envelopes, because I'm going to start doing some challenges, and I'm going to send you guys out big binders, like the big savings binder or the 100 envelope challenge. So I'm going to start doing, little challenges and competitions for some of the members, and I'm going to start getting you the big boys. So I needed these were on sale as well. Like I said, I'm going to attach the receipt at the end, so you guys can see how much all this stuff cost me. And this came today as well. All right, next for myself, I brought 2 more of these holders. These phone holders are really good. At first, I wasn't sure about how they worked. It was giving me a hard time, but these are really good. So I got 2 black ones. So the pink ones I'm going to leave in the house, and I am going to put the black one in the car. And I think I'm just going to keep this one in my bag. So when I'm at different places, oh, wait. Oh, okay. I'm not sure what happened with the signal, so I hope this still recorded. Okay, guys, I'm back. I don't want to make this video too long. But anyway, one of these are going to stay in my bag. One is going to stay in the car. The 2 pink ones are going to stay in the house. So if you're interested, I got these off of Temu. The other ones I got off of TikTok. But they're the same exact brand, the same exact ones, just different vendors. I'm telling you, it's the same stuff. So next, I wanted me some type of plaque. I was hoping that this came out okay. It's not as thick as I wanted it to be. And like I said, this was my first time ordering this kind of, customized stuff. But I must say that this is not bad. It's not bad. Now this is the back of it. So it's the rough side. But when you flip it over, this is how it looks. And I don't think that is bad for the price. I do remember this was like $4.99. It's not the best, but it's not bad. Because when I went online and I looked at other people's customized items, they were like $50 and $60. And I'm not ready for that yet. Now, I could have gotten a thicker plastic, but like I said, I didn't know which one to pick. So this is just a plaque for me to have on my desk, which I think is very, very cute. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as you can see, I put my girl over there. Lastly, I got me some more scratch off stickers. Now, I was half asleep when I ordered this stuff. I wanted smaller scratch off stickers. The other ones I had were like fluorescent, but this is like a rose gold. So I'm going to have to go back in and get me a little bit smaller for the challenges that are, smaller. And lastly, I got this because I see a lot of people with this. They take it to the bank. And I had the bags from the dollar store, But when I saw this on Temu, I said, this is nice. And it matches the, hold on guys, it kind of matches the teller receipt that, oh my goodness, that I got from S&C Budget Creations. So I think this is cute together. I think it's cute. And I'll just put this in here. Look at that, with my money, and go to the bank and they'll put my cash in there. And listen, I think that is cute. So I'm going to put this in my bag and I'm gonna rock with it. It's cute. I really like it. And it snaps very well. The snap is really nice. So this is the end of the review of the customized items and the other Temu items that I got in today for members and also for myself. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, subscribe, send this out to your friends and family. Please consider becoming a member of the Nista family. As my channel grows, then I'll be able to bless more people. I really feel like when we plant seeds in good ground, we reap a good harvest. So just remember that and keep that in mind when you go throughout my videos and throughout my playlists. I love you guys. Please take care of yourself. When you fall, get back up. Try again. Don't give up on yourself. All of us have a rough time. All of us struggle from here, from time to time. But the one thing about the Nista family and Nista herself, I don't give up. I keep pushing and keep pushing and keep going. Isn't this really nice, guys, too? My guy bought me this for my desk. It's so cute. Look, it's a water globe and it has a rose in it. And I really, really like this. At one time, I wanted those forever flowers, and it would be nice still to get them. But this right here, this is super, super cute. And it is a real rose. It's spray painted, and I don't know what kind of liquid is in, but this rose, it never dies or withers or whatever. So thank you guys for everything. I love you, and stay tuned. I got some cash stuff and videos coming. Bye. Ready or not, ready or not, here I come, can't hide, gonna find you, and then I play my enemies like a game of chess where I rest, no stress, no success.